Tolerances, ASTM standards. A parameter is a quantity that influences the output or behavior of an object, but is viewed as being held constant. There are certain parameters necessary to complete the corresponding sketch or a model, like dimensions, features, properties, etc. It is further divided into following types. Model parameters. These parameters are stored by default and cannot be changed by the user. These parameters are defined by software manufacturer. It includes parameter name, unit, type, tolerance, etc. User parameters. These parameters are defined by the user. User parameters are useful for providing additional information about an object. For example, in family tables, the parameter cost may have a different value for each instance. User parameters are stored with the model. You can add a parameter without defining a relation. Tools used for sketching in 3D are known as 3D sketching entities. It is not required to define a sketch plane for sketching in 3D. Following tools are used in 3D sketching. Line, spline. A straight line can be drawn in 3D space using line command. It can be drawn by work points or vertices. Here the figure illustrates a 3D straight line starting from origin O000 towards point P, X, Y, Z. A spline can be drawn in 3D, like 2D spline in 2D. It can be defined by specifying work points, vertices, cylindrical feature, and center point of holes. A 2D geometry can be included in an existing 3D model by specifying corresponding surface or edge. Here the figure 3D geometry added into an existing 3D geometry. A curve is generated by the intersection of two surfaces, work planes, or components in 3D space, known as intersection curve. Helical curve can be drawn in 3D space by specifying center line, helical axis, height, pitch, and number of revolutions.